Good morning. Welcome to the Breakfast Show. This is Martin here. A VSA360 dashboard will bring you the update that is needed to do well in this market in here. We all know that the market, finally, if you've been following this program, our market has broke above the 1600. No surprises because the green pentagon, which already informed you much earlier, no secret about that. So if you follow that green pentagon, you will be on the right stage. So let's take a look at what we have for you this morning for our market. Now in this session in here, we are said that the KLCI is already in the stage 2. And what's likely to happen? Now usually when the markup to stage 2 markup, then next thing you want to do, being a very and looking positive ahead, you want to see what's happening in here. You want to be ready for the stage 3 distribution. You want to look out for sign of weakness. Where is likely the market's going to turn? Where's market's going to take profit? And this is important, which is part of the Pentagon Guider. But if you don't have that, Pentagon Guider will still inform you with the red Pentagon and with also right now with the insider and buying. You will have an edge. And why do we know this? Because the back testing that we've been doing a lot. And those of you who've been following us, especially our members, for our weekly stock trade idea would have benefited some of the stock trade idea that we had and done pretty well over since March, which is almost coming up to 2 months in here. And especially if you are inexperienced, you want to join and consider our VSA360 membership with our training as well as our tool that will benefit you in here. All right, check it out. Now, one of the things that we've been doing regularly is our follow, trade and practice, which is the weekly stock trade idea. Of course, not all trade turn up, and you could see in the month of March, which was a good return, about 11.9% return for that month. I think April we did have a couple of bad trades. It would come down a bit more, but let's see the next 6 months how would this fare, so you can really watch this as part of and parcel. This is a new segment. We want to see that whatever tools and whatever trade that we talk about in here, it will substantially make you money in here. Now in the VSA360, you can see here we have all the tools that a trader and investor need, keeping you up and result oriented. Very important, yeah. Now check out our VSA360 virtual trading plan if you've not done so, and find out more program and also our Monday live Facebook show that we do. All right. Now VSA has a 360 what we call the insider buying. We also look at a couple of trade stocks. Now in this thing, let me just bring this animation in here. The semiconductors that was reported by Star, it's coming back and it does offer a chance from growth in here, which always I feel that the our market, one of the key things that will differentiate from the other stock exchange, at least we have many of the so-called manufacturing or semiconductor manufacturing of fab in Penang, actually in the Northern Corridor in here. And this was talking about the LUM research, which have done very well actually. Over time, it's gone up to about almost 900 plus US dollar in here, right? And it's been established in Kulim. So if you take a look to correlation to the KLCI, and let me just show you here, you can see the green pentagon on our VSA360 dashboard. You can see this, right? The technology group started to push straight up from here, right? Breaking up. And if you had gone in earlier, that will be the nice. So of course, not all trade works out. That's why we really want to see where the market is. But it has taken up the old high. So we are in the new rally, yeah? New rally that we've seen here. So the market stages that you learn on a daily basis will have meaningful to you, because you want to see that the market move up in what we call stage 2, right? Stage 2 markup. Okay, let's go to our next point. Now the Bursa, okay, Bursa Finance has also turned green pentagon. Keep in mind the Bursa Finance turned green pentagon. You can see here turning green pentagon there. So came back. You can see red pentagon, but it was hanging on and can break back up here. So this is definitely a good one. And you know, we are still in the early stage of stage 2. Having said that, we still need to be very careful, you know, as what we call look ahead, you know, positive trader, investor. We want to make sure that we are always constantly looking for the pothole, you know. When you are driving in the highway or driving in some of those roads, you want to look out for the pothole, because once you hit those pothole, it will definitely, you know, cause a very major damage in here. Do you agree with what I've said here? If you do give me some comments, right? And of course, it's good to see familiar faces. our members, you just pencil in there, and I know I'm with some of our members here. Now, look out for finance stocks, okay, going forward. Now, on our VSA360, 5 things you know about. Let's bring up the VSA360 that we have here. And this is a dashboard. Of course, you can see we got green Pentagon already. We got Singapore still red. Hang Seng is green and US is green. It's about almost coming back to another 40,000 in here. So which been very, very good. You see the KLCI, I will talk about that. And also our scoreboard, which is for all our members doing pretty well, 34%. We will look into this, how they can manage to achieve that. And this is where the key benefit of our membership, right? Membership using the tools, where the weekly guidance and the monthly orientation that we do, right, will bring you up into this level. The Bursa, foreign flows, right, and also the live stock prices, the KLCI sector in here. So right now, if you look at it, the KLCI, right, we can see we are almost 9% return, right, almost 10. The last time we had that was what year? Okay, let me just bring this back again, was 2017. So my thought is that I think the market is poised for a new breakout because it's coming off a very low base. You can see the last 3 years we've been suffering, and I do think that if you look in terms of foreign fund flows, they've been coming in, right? So that's really one of the reasons here. Let's take a look at our alert center. So alert center, you can see many Inari turned red Pentagon on the 10th of May, okay, which is just today. All right, this was on the 9th, turned red Pentagon because there was a big sell-off in here. And you can check this out. Inari, they have a big sell-off. Yep, that's where it is. Some result, the earnings result is coming out. You can see another sell-off in here. Maybe temporarily, but just keep in mind. TASH, P Chemical, KPS, Lagenda, Echo West, MRCB. It turned green Pentagon at 7, then it turned back down again. This is really a wash. VStack has done pretty well because of the AI selling some distribution, and also they've taken up Amazon distributing the product in here. So you can see a lot of the red and green Pentagon stocks will keep you into place. All right. So that's the scoreboard. And personal notification hasn't set up much yet, as now a lot of our trade are being semi-automated. Okay, emulated, and of course for the members in our monthly trade, we did share how we did that with the trading bots, something that we are doing for our KLCI. Now, in terms of the schematic, right? Let's take a look at schematic right now. We are something that we know is in mid stage 2, as I said before. This is where the market is. But as the market go higher, we really need to watch out for stage 3 distribution, where we want to see sign of weakness there. If they do come, what should we do about it? More markup coming up. All right, I do believe market likely to go higher than lower. Check out the volume too. Now this is where what I'm talking about here. You could see, let me just draw those, okay, draw those line change for you here. You can see from here, and this is what I talk about, the stage 2 markup, stage 1 accumulation. So because the market now started to move sideways, but you do have support at 1600. Give it a bit of time. The market doesn't go up in a straight line. All right. So let's take a look at our stock screener as of last week on the 29th. This is the one that we have: KPJ, Scornet, MPI, CAP, and Estino. Now, if you look in terms of the stock, how much have gone up? This was up to 2nd of May, and then if you bring it up to 9th of May. Okay, from 21, which is about KPJ is down 1%, 2%, 3%, 0.6. There hasn't moved up much. So one of the better ways to look at it, if you are a member, right, and we selected 9th of May, is to look for the trade setup. So this is what you want to do. And what you got to do is go to the screener, and then you go over to the NS, right, and you get on the 9 here. Then you want to use the LT and ST, which I did explain in our past chapters and the session in here. Turn the turnover, so that way you will get the highest turnover in here. And you can see, just mouse over it, you can see this is a very good setup here. NS trade, you can see this is one NS, and you can check out theta. Where is theta today? Today is down 1.2% after the NS, but you can see the auto trend line is setting up. So this is a good one. PBA, NS, good one in here. Again, you can set up PBA, which is the utility water player in Penang. You can see NS still going up, so this is a good one too. Next week you'll come back Wellcore, NS. Okay, so it makes it easier to look at the stocks too. Right, just be careful. These are very low volume, and MMSM also has a NS. All right, so right now, next week definitely we'll come back and see some of these stocks for NS. So you got a good idea where the NS bars are going for. Now, if you have any stocks that you want me to look at, feel free to pencil in there, and that's what we have for the NS screener, the stocks screener for this week. So in terms of the insider buying that we have, all right, we'll check out the last episode that we talked about here. Now, the last episode we had the XL, which is around the 72.5 cents, and lo and behold, you can see those buying. Let me just switch this back to my laser pointer. Okay, and you can see the market has just gone up to 74 cents, so it's lifted up so nicely in here. Seng Fong was 118 closing, and today is 117. You can see market did go higher. All right, on the insider buying in here. So this week, insider buying, we had MC holding just one buy, the market pushes up. All right, so we will look at it next week too, how the outcome. Then the other one is Hibiscus, which is a very good share and rated 4 on the SmartRobie chart, but you can see the two buying in here, supported at 260 in here. All right, so we covered the in here. A little bit I want to talk more about our CV3, which is part and parcel why we do this VSA360 in the weekly basis. You can see the last week was about 19%, and the members have done pretty well. From 19% 19th February, 10th of May has gone up to 34% in here. So we can really monitor some of our members, how well they're doing this here. And it's like using our Polling Express methodology, which we talk about every Tuesday. Now, if you have not joined us, for our members who have been busy, you can watch the video recording too, or join our session on every Monday in here, or look into our Pentagon Guided monthly results. Go to our website under tutorial here, you can pick it up, and we talk about those shares that you traded, and you can sort of follow up how the result of the performance in here. So far, as I said before, you've seen this, about 12% we are coming down in here. So everything is quite transparent the way we trade in here. All right, so check out our scoreboard for the supervised view trade in here. So market's hot, right? It's time to get into the market in here, and we do hope you love. So really part of our CV1, we already have a continuing model, like pretty much in line with the Turtle Trader, and we do think that you are also a candidate of our Turtle Trader, wearing that educational, motive, learning, and with the market going higher in the US, I think there's a lot of opportunity in here. All right, so great review from our members. We continue to serve them. Love to hear your feedback, and we'll come to the stock review. All right, if you have any stock review, let me know. I'm happy to pencil those in there, and I'll take a look at the stocks. All right, thank you, Nora. Thank you for being great supporter in here. Okay, so any stocks you want me to look at? All right, if there's no stocks, thank you for coming. I'll see you on Monday, Monday for our breakfast show again. Oh, we have one. Nora want me to look at PM Holding. Sure, we'll look at PM Holding. Oh, this one is, but you can look at these stocks. Normally, if you go up 34%, time to take profit. Okay, it's been range bound for some time. If you buy it now, it's pretty risky. You can get one of these bars, and it will come back down to 24 cents. As I said before, when you see climatic bars, right, just be careful. Right, it may hold a bit more and then fall back down. But right now, there's a room to fall, rather room to go up in here. I know it's easy when you see 34% in here. It's not going to go up another 34%. You see from here, right, this was 12th of March. How long it moves sideways? You see from here to here. The 54 days. 54 days are almost 3 bulan. Your money can sangkut there. Remember, we are doing the Polling Express. If kalau kuda tak jalan, get out, ambil kuda baru. Okay? So, okay, thanks a lot for coming. Thank you for your time. I don't keep you in your busy schedule in here. I think some of you a lot more. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not. Also, check out the TikTok and our new Facebook. We have a lot of posting about, educational tips, how to motivate you to become a better investor and trader. And don't forget to join our Telegram chat room in our thing. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you later. Bye.